Drivin Ivan here. I'm going to walk you around the Lamborghini Museum. It was about 30 years ago, almost, that I had a tour of this museum before it opened to the public with Valentino Balboni. And today, I'm going to walk you through, show you every car real quick, and talk about the history of these cars and some personal experiences I've had. And here we go. Starting off with the Urraco. All Lamborghinis are named after bulls, bullfighting. This was Ferruccio Lamborghini's philosophy in building the Lamborghini. This car was built because the Saudi Arabian army needed a Jeep, basically. And they sought a prototype, and this is good for 110 miles an hour in the sand, the LM002. 120 miles an hour on the road. Lamborghini Urraco, strange, and then it's a V8, not a 12-cylinder, like most Lamborghinis. Beautiful color, this one. Always loved the Urraco, but just a beauty. V8, smaller engine like the Alpa, which followed it. The Lamborghini Periscopa. I have a driving review of the Lamborghini, which you definitely have to check out elsewhere. What a beauty. Look at this thing. Oh my God. It's so beautiful. I want a video selfie with it. So pretty. Isn't it gorgeous in green? And you can see that the Periscopa back here, this is why it's called the Periscopa, because you could see out the window for better vision. You know, Ferruccio wanted to improve the car. This is like a Sabre, a Spada, one of my favorites. There's a pink one in existence that a lady owns actually in America. And what a cool car. I have a pink Citroen CX. I like cars in pink. I think this one looks good in pink, but what a beauty. This is one of my favorite Lamborghinis of all time. The Espada, which is a Sabre. And here's the Miura. This is the one where Bob Wallace basically trained Valentino Balboni to test and review these cars and make sure they were ready. Basically right out the door here, right out the main gate, it would go to the left, and there was a hard left turn that you could see on Motor Week, actually. If you watch the intro to Motor Week, you could see that left-hand turn. It's about 40 kilometers per hour, very fast. I watched Valentino Balboni testing the VT Diablo when it first came out, the all-wheel drive version. This is the first Lamborghini built, the 350, and this is the one. You know, he was a Taurus, the bull, the stubborn person, and he was successful. He had built tractors, and he wanted to basically prove that he could build the best car available. So he took his Taurus Zodiac sign and made the bull of Lamborghini after he had driven all the best cars, and he said, well, they're too hot, or they're not fast enough, or the build quality is not good enough. So he went ahead and he finished off the build of his own car. This Lamborghini 350 followed shortly by the 400. I have Valentino Balboni talking about this very car, and he said that actually this is his first love. This is the first Lamborghini, but this was his first love. So Valentino Balboni took over test driving from Bob Wallace, and the rest is history. Everybody knows Valentino Balboni is one of the greatest ambassadors of Lamborghini. You could see my interview with him at La Bella Macchina d'Italiana at Pocono Raceway in the United States, and you can see it also. I ran into him at the Pebble Beach, Concours Italiano. But of course, check out that interview with him before the store opened, the museum here, in the year 1999, 30 years ago actually, where Valentino gave me the tour. All right, now we'll go upstairs. Here we are upstairs. I saw this car at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance. This is the COUNTACH LP 804, which means it's all-wheel drive, basically built on an Aventador chassis to really look like the Lamborghini Countach. Now, I just recently reviewed the Lamborghini Countach, and my video is called The Truth About Driving the Countach, because I really wanted to share exactly what it's like to drive the Countach, and that's what I did. There's some cool sketches back there, as you can see. But what a beautiful car from every angle. They incorporated the scoop here. Interior, they could have put a line here, if you ask me, but they didn't. But oh well, still a good representation. But I like it when they really copy the originals. So what a great sketch here. Really nice. I'll note that the air conditioning is great in here too. There's not many places you go in Italy where you have good air conditioning. And so that's a good thing. I think I'll get a selfie with this one too. Why not? Look, there it is. The modern COUNTACH. Yeah, I like the original. But anyway, trying to stay out of people's way. Hope they stay out of my way too. It's tough to do when you're in a crowded museum. I'm just going to walk you through the rest of these. They're varying examples of, this is the Cyan here, 2019, and then you have the 2016 Centario special editions. This one's very cool, actually, the Venimo. 2014 Venimo. And here we go with the 2010 Elemento. Very nice. 2007 Reventon. Yes, sirree, Bob. Why not? Another selfie of that one. Does it look good? I think it does. Show you the backs of these two because you want to see them from all angles. I know you do, right? I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are enjoying this video, smash the like button and subscribe. And also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, The Real Drivin Ivan is my TikTok, Instagram, DrivinIvanKatz. And looking good there. And again, I'll poke you inside real quick. There you go. Poke you inside of this one too. Sorry. Trying to stay out of everybody's way. It's tough to do. A lot of people. And here we go. 12-cylinder engine there. All right, taking you to the other side now, where we have some sort of bio circle. Is Lamborghini going electric? Pertamax Turbo. Some sort of racing, probably hybrid technology mule that they have. Love the Urus. How outrageous is it to have a SUV that goes 0 to 60 in about 2.5 seconds? Here's outside of Lamborghini. This is about right down here is a location that I had with my picture with Valentino back then in 1999 with that factory tour. And they look good in green, don't they? Lime green. I think so. There you go. This beauty. That's a great angle. Carbon fiber, engine. Oh, this is a cool thing I noted when I was here. This is my second time here on this trip. And look, they've got automatic lawnmowers here at Lamborghini. They don't have to pay anybody to mow the lawn. You'll notice the lack of Lamborghinis driving by also. Don't see too many Lamborghinis on the road here. You see more Ferraris at the Ferrari factory than you do Lamborghinis at the Lamborghini factory. But I've got lots of content coming here from Italy, and you'll have to check it out. I'm reviewing some great cars. I might even bring a car home. Might even tell you the experience of bringing a car home from Italy. That's a pretty cool thing. So that's basically everything here in the museum. And go ahead and wrap this up with, I'll come over here, choose something exciting to wrap the video up. Anyway, smash that like button. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Venimo right behind me. And search all my Lamborghini videos, The Truth About Driving the Lamborghini, my interview with Valentino Balboni back in 1999, right here at this factory before this museum opened. Also, lots of Lamborghini content, Concours Italiano, the STO, and many other exotics too. My driving review of the Ferrari Roma. Also, check out my pink Citroen CX, What Does Drivin Ivan Drive? And you can check out my car collection, including my Lancia Delta Integrale. I'll probably pick something up on this trip and take it home, so check that out as well. The Real Drivin Ivan on TikTok and TikTok. TikToks are good, but not TikTok. Anyway, DrivinIvanKatz on YouTube, and DrivinIvanKatz on Instagram as well. Please do follow me. Search any car in Drivin Ivan. Check out my Free Your Mind music video if you like music. Check out my Hotel California video, or my funny video of Chris Isaac's Wicked Game, which is a literal video, hilarious videos. Again, thank you for watching the Lamborghini Museum here in Sant'Agata, Bolognese, Italy. I'm Drivin Ivan.